Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm gonna show you how you can sort files on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all go to your file manager application on your Android phone, and this is my file manager, so I'm tapping on it, and then you can select either your internal storage or SD card, and for me I'm gonna go with SD card, so I'm tapping on SD card. Then you can select one of the folder on your SD card, and I'm going to select this folder. Tap on the folder, and if you want to sort files on this folder, you can simply click on this option, and as you can see that here I sort my file based on its size. And then if you want to change it, you just need to click on this option, and then you can select name, date, type, or size, and then I'm gonna go with name. Okay, just tap on name, and now the file has been sorted by its name. And alright guys, that's how we can sort files on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.